TMCnet at NextCom 2008.
Good afternoon and welcome again. I'm Erik Linask, coming to you live from NextCom 2008 in Las Vegas, Nevada. I have the pleasure now of being joined by Grant Seiffert, President of the Telecommunications Industry Association. Welcome, Grant.
Thanks, Erik. It's a pleasure to be here.
TIA does an awful lot around standards and policies. Can you talk a little bit about what you're doing lately?
Sure. At the show here, we're really launching our ICT Green initiatives, focused on a subscription-based service to help our membership and other companies navigate these environmental issues that are really impacting the bottom line globally. Specifically speaking, the EIA Track is a real-time service that allows companies to, for instance, if they want to go and deploy services into China, we track the regulation, the compliance rules, and actually, help save companies millions of dollars because we've already done the research. We have content experts placed in China, Europe, United States, and South America. So it's really something that's taking off. It sort of feeds into our other themes of green initiatives where in standards work we do with data centers, creating standards for more energy efficiency systems, and it goes from there. So we're real excited about being here at the show, launching this year.
How receptive are your members to the whole green initiative? There's a lot of talk around it.
Sure. The whole environmental issue is pervasive globally. It really does have an impact on from a financial aspect. For instance, if you don't understand the WEEE directive or RoHS rules in Europe, you could receive a $50 million fine and just not have a clue, but you've got to pay that fine for recycling batteries in Europe, and et cetera. So it really gets down to the bottom line, and I think members in any company that's in the electronics industry, in the communications industry, the IT industry, which TIA comprises, is waking up to this reality. And we're just helping them with the information, the analysis, and we take away a lot of the expense because the research has already been done.
How important is it for your membership, for instance, to have an industry association sort of leading this kind of work?
Well, we're reacting to these needs. I mean, the membership has come to say, and has come to us and said, we need more help. And as an industry, we're better off. Numbers matter. And whether it's in the United States at the FCC or Capitol Hill or before the EPA, it matters in China, it matters in Europe. And so we're creating a sort of a think tank around the green initiatives so that members can come together and talk to the governments and discuss and debate these issues, put white papers out, create standards, initiate energy efficiency standards like the Energy Plus program and so forth. So it's a need that the members have said we need help and we're responding.
Now, in addition to your work on the green initiatives and that sort of thing, you're obviously also very involved with the NextCom show itself.
Sure. Yeah, we're co-owners of the show along with the United States Telecom Association. This is its second year. We're excited to be here in Las Vegas. We're really positioning the show in Vegas to be closer to the West Coast, so we attract content providers from the Hollywoods and the LAs of the world, and we'll see if that proves out. So content is really going to be the driver of broadband and what these members here on the show floor are showing off today.
What kind of trends are you seeing out here on the show floor?
Oh, I think, I've had a few minutes on the show floor, but, broadband is certainly a key theme. The deployment of these new infrastructures, IP, is driving these new technologies. It certainly is leveling the playing field for technology, getting into the marketplace, getting into consumers' hands. Mobility, wireless access is a common theme. A fixed mobile convergence, and unified communications are themes you're going to continue to hear throughout the week, supported by broadband deployment.
Are we going to see the show back in Las Vegas next year?
Not next year. We're actually going to be in Chicago, and we've been in Chicago. We were in Chicago last year, so next year we'll be in Chicago, and I'm not sure what we'll do as far as next steps. Will it be in Vegas or Chicago the following year? So we'll evaluate that, and if this was a good marketplace for us or not.
Fantastic. Well, I certainly wish you the best of luck with the show. Also, Chicago next year.
Great. Hope to have you there.
I certainly look forward to it. Thanks again. We've been talking to Grant Seiffert, president of the Telecommunications Industry Association.
Thanks, Eric. Appreciate it.